And they're off. Quality Road got off to a good start. Le Grand Cru going to take it right to the lead early on here. And Le Grand Cru goes on to lead. Quality Road now runs second just to his inside. Tisway comes up the rail. Kansai is fourth and moving on the outside. Warrior's Reward is now fifth and in between horses. Then it's 2 lengths back to Musket Man, who's down on the inside of You and I Forever. And 6 lengths back to Convocation. It was a 22-2 opening quarter mile, and Quality Road is the leader. Le Grand Cru, though, not going to let him get away. He's right there. 3/4 of a length behind in second. Tisway on the inside, right up there, close and running along in third. Kansai is just outside of Warrior's Reward. So it is Quality Road, and Le Grand Cru won't go away after a half mile in 45 seconds flat. Quality Road, the leader around the far turn. Warrior's Reward is making a move at him now. Le Grand Cru is back to third, and there's 3 furlongs to go here in the Met Mile. And Tisway is fourth toward the inside. On the far outside, You and I Forever, as the field turns for home. It's still Quality Road. Warrior's Reward took a good run at him, but he's been left a length and a half behind. 3/4 of a mile in 1:08.2, and Quality Road and Johnny Velazquez hit the 8th pole, clear by 2. Musket Man's firing! Musket Man firing at Quality Road! Quality Road trying to dig down for another 100 yards. Musket Man on the outside cannot get by. Classy, consistent, Quality Road. A dazzling Met Mile, 8 sparkling furlongs in 1:33 flat. Musket Man was second, Tisway was third.